Kanong elam jong kunhun ki MLA Congress yang dapat thoan ke jala Dr Amprin Lingdo kala ong bo Dr Mukul sangma nong elam kaliang persya ulakhat subhai kisan ngut ki MLA Congress bani bam jamiat kani kicing thu ke MLA kala long nak cingkeli gi nong tho khubor bo Dr Mukul sangma udan ye kicingmut ban khring lang ki shaka All India Trinamool Congress kumban syukro ba kisan ngut ki MLA Congress dangsian ki lej ban ajeng kershan ya ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ha kicing elam ke NPP rengkar kicing trailang bat ke Bharatiya Janata Party kala ong bakam dan cing pheri kata nomor ki dei baladan ha chu ke benta kum kinong mikmat chi gi darbar henry kala pat ban long na benta kicing thu ban khring ki shaka All India Trinamool Congress.
Just now we have been invited for dinner by Dr Mukul, and going for a dinner with a colleague or a former colleague does not tantamount to any commitment of any kind. So we are, like I said, focusing on the interest of the five and the group of five. We do not want to divulge anything because right now it's important for us to consider our options. So we continuously get invited to dinners and breakfasts and lunches. So we're enjoying this freedom and trying to figure out what to do next.
Hagawai perkaliang Dr Mukul sangma ulaang ba jingkhot bam jamiat iksan ngut ke MLA Congress kadai kicing dei porlok ba san perthai kamla ban khange kata ulaang ba klei trailang laslam ba wala kidon la chong ka seng san perthai ban kam khanglat ban ikran rangkat ikimat ibakta ya gejala halor ka cingkhi ka san perthai ka seng Congress ulaang bu la dei na shabar ba umla ban kan tho ai halor chungki.
So they're my colleagues. We have been colleagues for a long time. Not just during this session, during this term, even prior to that, we have worked together, we have served together. And when we look at issues and take up issues collectively with the sole intention of addressing the concern of the people for the larger good of the people and the state, we must always discuss, deliberate among ourselves and see and explore the possibilities of aggregating our potentialities. That's the healthy practice. That's what we are looking at as colleagues. And we were together in CLP. And because of the political developments that has unfolded, we are separated. Okay. But then that doesn't prevent us from getting together, having a get together and looking at issues before us.